Now, equation of the circle in the parametric form. Now, parametric form of the circle in the standard form when it is x square plus y square is equal to r square. Now, let us discuss this. Now, I have just drawn a figure here, a circle whose center is at the origin and a point p x y on a circle. Now, let us see be the center of the circle at point O. Coordinates of C are 0, 0 and P x, y be any point on the circle. First condition. Now, we are having OP as a radius. We have just drawn a point P here and now OP becomes a radius. Let radius OP or CP, you can write it CP. Let radius OP be R, which makes angle theta with the positive direction of x axis. Is it clear? Now, join OP and draw PM perpendicular to x axis. In right angle triangle OPM, x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Is it clear? Now, coordinates of point P becomes or cos theta comma r sin theta. Is it clear? Now, point 1. X is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, where 0 is less than is equal to theta is less than is equal to 2 pi is said to be parametric representation of the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square. Point 2, if equation of a circle is in the form x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, then parametric representation r x minus h is equal to r cos theta and y minus k is equal to r sin theta, where theta is a parameter. So this is all about the parametric representation of a circle.